Hi, this is Roger. This is a video that's going to show how to uninstall the driver that allows the Moxie sensor to communicate with the Moxie PC app. So the first thing you want to do is actually plug your Moxie sensor into the USB cable so that we can that will allow the drivers to show up on the device manager so that we can uninstall them. So I've already got my my Moxie sensor plugged into the computer on the USB cable. So the first thing we want to do is go to our control panel. So if you go to the Windows icon in the lower left and you click on control panel, the control panel will pop up, and then we need to go to the device manager. And we'll go to the device manager here, and now this pops up. Now there's two places that we need to uninstall the drivers. The first place is under the ports column, and you will see something called a USB serial port with a COM number listed after it. In this case, my COM number is 146. So you want to first left click on it to highlight it, and then right click and then select uninstall, and then we will delete the driver software for this device, and then click on OK, and that'll take just a second, and that removed that driver. And then the second place we need to uninstall is under the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. We will see a line called USB Serial Converter. And again, you left click on it to highlight it, right click on it, and then select uninstall. And again, we want to select delete the driver software for this device and click on OK. And it uninstalls. And then now to reinstall the drivers, we want to unplug the sensor, and we want to plug it back in. And now it's telling me that it's installing the device driver software. I'm going to pull up the this window, and we'll see this window. This window takes a couple of minutes for it to go through. There's two lines that need to be installed. It will first reinstall the USB serial converter, and then the second line is that it will reinstall the COM port. So there, the serial converter is done, and now it's working on the USB serial port. So when that's done, then the drivers will be fixed if we had a driver corruption problem.